Base B presenta Ernesto Bautista.
Good. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Impresionante show de motocicleta, casi todas Harley Davidson today. Tremendo show anual, chévere. Cientos y cientos de motocicletas, motociclistas en el día de hoy, en este formidable show.
Excuse me. What's your name?
My name is Stevie.
What are you doing here now?
I'm from Seacoast Harley, and we have a riding academy, so we teach people how to ride. We also teach people how to be better riders.
Oh, Rider Academy?
Yes.
Where?
In Northampton, New Hampshire.
Okay. What for today? What happened today here?
So this is a bike show going
Okay.
on, so different categories, and first place, second place, third place.
Okay. Do you have a business card?
Yes.
Please. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good. Lisa, what are you doing here now?
What am I doing here? I'm doing a little bit of everything. It's Bentley's Ride-In Bike Show today, and we have almost 52 bikes here, showing off their beautiful custom bikes. What the fuck bikes, race bikes, bagger bikes, antique bikes, a little bit of everything. It's a beautiful day.
Good, yes. How many people is today here?
Oh, hundreds. There'll be hundreds.
Okay.
Lots of people here today.
How many times you make this show in the year?
Once a year.
Uh-huh.
Every year, Bike Rally Week.
Every year?
Every year.
In the summer?
In the summer.
Okay.
It's always June during Biker Rally Week at Laconia. We do a biker rally here at the same time.
Good. Do you got business card?
Not with me right now, but I'll get you one.
Okay, you repeat your name, please.
My name is Lisa.
Lisa. Okay. But the organization is this?
Bentley Saloon.
Okay, nice.
All right?
Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay. Enjoy your food.
I told that he's on a t-shirt.
If you all don't know what a jump start bike is, posting will show you, but I'll give you a little hint. It's like riding a stationary bicycle. You're shifting, but you're not going anywhere. So, anybody that wants to try that out, that's thinking about, hey, I like to ride a bike, especially you ladies. This is a chance to go through the shifting, and you got the beautiful Stevie over there helping you out. Little hobby, an expensive, beautiful hobby. Rusty's roaming around here too. The guys will be up on stage a little bit later.
That was only 92 grand. That's a, I mean, that's a,